Hello and thanks for watching Gary Teaches Maths. I'm continuing to go through the 2018 higher tier paper 1 from Edexcel. And this is question 17. So we're being asked to simplify fully this expression here that we've got. What we need to do really is try and factorize top and bottom if possible and see if anything in this will cancel, which I would say straight away it will do, and that's simply through experience of doing these questions. They always do end up with something cancelling and the fraction reducing. So I would look at both parts of the fraction separately. So if we look at the 3x squared minus 8x minus 3, what we've got is a quadratic expression which we can attempt to put into two brackets. And I would use what I call the AC method, where we take the A value there and the C method, the C value, and we multiply them together, which tells me that we're looking for a product of 3 times negative 3, which is negative 9. And we're looking for a sum, which is the middle term, which we could call the B term, middle coefficient. So we're looking for a sum of negative 8. So it's a little bit of trial and error to try and think of these, but two numbers which would multiply to make minus 9, negative 9, would be negative 9 itself and positive 1. And if we actually add them two together, we can see that negative 9 plus 1 will also give us negative 8. Okay, so what we can do then is split the middle term into these two parts. So we split the middle coefficient. So we rewrite it and we say it's 3x squared, and then I'm going to say negative 9x is 1/2, and then we usually draw a wiggly line there to split the equation into two bits, and then we want the positive x, so plus 1x, which is just plus x, and negative 3. So if we try and factorize both these two halves then of the quadratic, we can see in the first half we can take out a 3x. So if we take out 3x, put that at the front of a bracket, then to get the first term we'd need to write an x. To get the second term we'd need to write a 3, x minus 3. And if we've done this correctly, we should get that the second bracket is the same as this bracket we've got here. So let's have a look. Well, there's nothing we can actually take out of this. It's just a 1. So we can write plus 1 times x minus 3. Then what we do, we combine the first two terms of each bracket into another bracket at the start. So we get 3x plus 1 from the terms that are multiplying each of the two brackets. And the second bracket we'll just keep as it is, so x minus 3. There we go. So that is the top line factorised. What we can then try and do, so here's the top line. If we look at the bottom line, or denominator, so the bottom line is 2x squared minus 6x. We're looking for a common factor in that. So we can see, well, we could take out a 2 and an x from that. And then that would leave inside a bracket, that would leave x minus 3. So that's fully factorised as well. If we combine both of these and we replace the expressions in the original fraction, what we'll end up with is the top line being 3x plus 1 multiplied by x minus 3, and the bottom line being 2x x minus 3. We can see that we've got a bracket on the same that's the same on the top and the bottom of the fraction, so we can cross that out, and that leaves us with our fully simplified expression, which is 3x plus 1 over 2x, and we've done it. That's as much as that will simplify. I hope that's been of help to you. If it has, please watch more videos on our Gary Teaches Maths channel, and like our video and subscribe to our video. And if you'd like more help like this, you could also see our website, which is bestmathstutors.co.uk. Thanks for watching.